How to check Wendy's delivery availability in your area. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Wendy's location page, which is find a location. Here, select delivery and then scroll down and click on order now. After you've clicked on order now, in here it will lead you to this page. Here, press on continue. After you press on continue, in here, add your delivery address, which is your street address. After you have added your street address, it will show you the availability of delivery in your area. If it's not available, it will show you new options. So this is how to check Wendy's delivery availability in your area. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.